First, for those who've never taken the connector bus before but are considering it, welcome aboard. The first thing that we recommend is you checking out our website, www.fairfaxconnector.com, to determine whether we have routes in your areas. The most important thing that we recommend is for you to get a Smart Trip card. It makes boarding the bus a lot quicker. As well, you save 20 cents at least per trip. You can also get bus-to-bus transfers and rail-to-bus transfers when you use your Smart Trip card. You can pick up a Smart Trip card either at one of our connector stores or at a CVS in your neighborhood. As well, when you're at a metro station, you can buy those. If you don't have a Smart Trip card, you can still board the bus. The fare is $1.80, and you need to make sure that you have exact change. All of our buses are wheelchair accessible, and all of our buses also have the capability to hold bikes on the front of them as well. Once you're on the bus, if your final destination is not a metro station or a park and ride, if you need to get off along the route, we have stop request cables along the side of the bus that you can pull to let the driver know that you need to stop at the next stop. If you have further questions about how to use the system, you have many ways to contact us. You can call the Telephone Information Center. You can find us on Facebook and Twitter. We answer all kinds of questions there. Or you can email the connector to get further information, as well ask somebody at the connector stores, ask a station supervisor. We're all here to answer your questions and help you enjoy your ride.